Hi everyone, welcome to YouTube channel. Today I would like to talk about how to create your YouTube channel. Okay, first you have to click your YouTube account icon in the right corner. Okay, right click and you see there is a setting menu. You have to click bottom line in the setting menu. Okay, here we go. You see there is account option. You have to click add or manage your channel. Mm, there are a lot of features, but you have to click only add or manage your channel. Okay, you see there are a lot of channel in my account, but you have to create a new channel. Okay, if you want to create your own channel, you can create all your channel, just like game channel, uh, my home channel, my home video channels, etc. I will make you sample as a game channel. You can type GME game channel. Okay, after you finish, you click create button. Okay,